Hi everybody, hello and welcome. Welcome to a little flip through today, and it's of this correspondence folio which I've just finished. It's very similar to the other two, maybe some different colours and stuff here and there, but this is the front, and you can see we've got this lovely embossed daisy and the two painted, I don't know what they are, flower spikes. I don't know what else to call them, with the lace down there, and then this lovely little arrangement here with the purple here that picks up the purple there. This is on magnets, and it opens up like so. Look at that. Look at this, Mr. Bluted. Yes. Anyway, let's start at this side. This is literally just the back of the front cover, but I've put a little collage on there. I think he's called a goldfinch, and I put numbers on there and some yellow flowers. You can see what's there. Then here we've got a pocket, and inside we've got our greeting cards. It's all lined with Tim Holtz paper. So there's 3 greeting cards here that are fully functional greeting cards. You can write in them and send them off to people. It's got sort of a little collage and some rub-ons, actually, they are down there. Coffee stained paper. So that's one. This is the next one. He's nice, I like him. Tim Holtz paper in the background. All the bits are Tim Holtz, the bigger bits at any rate. That's a tag, but it doesn't function as a tag. And once again, we've got the inner part, little collage, etc., ready to go. And this one. And there we have it inside. So those are our 3 cards, and they fit down into there. It's actually easier if you put one in first and then slide the other 2 in behind it. I find that works better. I don't really know why that is, but it does work better that way. So there's our 3. Now moving across, we've got the envelopes to go with the cards. So we've got this belly band here with big blue tit on. I just couldn't resist it. I was kind of running out of blue tit pictures, but I saved him to go there because he's quite prominent. And then we've got our 3 envelopes. They've all got little collages in the corner. They're all covered in coffee paper and stained around, apart from the back flaps, which I've left like that because I think they look kind of nice like that. And they just go into there, keep them safe, and should you feel like it in the future, you can make your own and pop them back in your correspondence folio. The cards are 5 by 7. And if I can find my ruler, I'll tell you what the whole thing measures. It measures, wrong way up, that way, 8 1/4, and each of the panels measures 6 inches. So it's 6 inches, then a spine, 6 inches, then a spine. This bit on the end measures a touch over 2. Maybe even 2 1/4, that sort of measurement anyway. So there we have it. That folds over. Lovely little collage. I like that one on the front. That goes there. The back's just very plain Timmy paper. So that's our correspondence folio. I've loved making it. It's been a bit of a departure from sort of journals and journaling. It's the same kind of techniques, but just ended up with something different. So I hope you like it, and I shall see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.